Hi guys, this is Deepan from Team 7 Boats, and today I will show you how you can get your SEO keyword ranking easily from Google SERP pages with SEO Search Simulator by Nightwatch. Suppose you want to know a keyword for a particular website, a keyword ranking for a particular website. Okay, so in my case, I want to know where our website is ranking for the keyword digital marketing company in Kolkata. So I don't need to scroll down and look for my company, where is my company and all. What I need to do, I need to come to the here extension part, Chrome extension. Here I need to click on this already installed Nightwatch. I clicked here and I'm going to copy my keyword. Okay, so here you can see I have pasted my keyword and I'm gonna put our company URL and I'm just click on perform search. Here you can see I don't need to look here where is our company. I don't need to, I just can see it from here. Here you can see it's on number 8. Here you're just gonna click on this and it's gonna take you to the uh, result. Okay, so now the question is how you can get the Nightwatch search simulator. Okay, just head to the Chrome web store. Okay, and search Nightwatch. Here you can see add to the Chrome. I have already added it, so you're gonna click install or add to the Chrome and you're gonna add it and you're gonna click on extension and pin it. You have to pin it to use it. You can see here, you can see. So after you pin the search simulator, what you are gonna do, you're gonna come to the Google SERP and click on this. Okay, and again the same thing. You're gonna copy, you're gonna paste, you're gonna put your URL and it's gonna do the job for you. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.